Hi there, welcome to Squigwheel, the House of Welcome. This building was established in 1995, was originally the vision of Mary Ellen Hilaire. You can see a lot of coastal influence and Maori influence in the building.
Education and community are so important to Squaxin people. They always have been, and it coincides with Evergreen, not just providing education for people, but it's a college that mirrors values that the tribe values.
If you're a Native student, you are enriching and deepening your own knowledge. And then if you're a non-Native person, you are presented with a worldview that teaches you leadership, collaboration, to work with other cultures in a respectful way.
We have the carving studio. Then we also have the fiber arts studio where Susan Pavel teaches fiber arts.
Native and non-Native alike. As students come through Evergreen, we're weaving things with our hands, we're dyeing materials, we're spinning materials. In wool weaving, we're not weaving for ourselves. We're always weaving for others. They take that piece of it and go out into the world and make that difference.
The people that you meet in the program, the friendships that you form, it can help you in the future. It's opening up my perspective. I could be helping out my tribe.
I love the vibrancy where you just feel good and comfortable. I'm proud of this school, and every interaction we've had, it's been so respectful. It is incredibly diverse and very welcoming.
I don't know if my time at Evergreen will ever end, to be quite honest.